video we're going to talk about how to screenshot with your system, your laptop. Firstly, you click on start, then session sniping tool. Sniping tool, you see it's right here. Click on it. You see a small box will appear. You click on new. Then you draw your line around the area you want to screenshot. Let me say if you want to screenshot the full, or I want to screenshot only this box here. I'll screenshot the area I want. Then you see voila. But now I want to screenshot the full screen. I want to screenshot the full screen. So I'll just go, I'll draw, 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 and draw. Done. You see I got my full desktop here. The easiest way to screenshot. Then you click on save. You can save. You click on area you want to save. You save the name. Let me save Windows 10. You can use any name you like. Then you can save as a JPEG file, GIF file, but I prefer JPEG file. Then click on save. Done.